Hey folks, choose any one tarot deck and we'll check what does this particular person think about you and how do they see you and what will happen between you both in the future. Yes, so choose any one deck. These are like all these three are tarot decks and you can choose any three. If you have two people in your mind, you could respectively point one deck as that individual and the other one as the other individual. Okay, so yeah, I have given below the timestamps in the description column. So choose a deck, choose a tarot deck which calls out to you intuitively. We're gonna see how does this person see you, what do they think about you, and the future and advice between you both. Yeah. So folks who choose pile number 1, these are Rider-Waite tarot deck and we'll see how does this person see you. And okay, I feel like someone you both are not in talking terms, or you both are separated now, or you both are don't have that much communication going on, or you both might be in different countries, states or city. It might be long distance as well, so we could see what so this was the general card which came out just in my hand, and we'll see how do they see you. So think about that person as I am shuffling the cards. How do they see you? Pile 1. Okay. How does the person see you? Okay, so and what does this person think about you? Yeah, we'll see what does this person feel about you. Okay, so this is beautiful. So at first we got this this is 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. How do they see you? They see you as a very soft kind of a person, kind, gentle, very much into their own self. They are not a person who gossips a lot. I mean, they think like that about you. So they think like you are not a kind of a person who dishes, or who gossips a lot, or spy or stuff. You just be with your own self and do your own work and enjoy your own company. And one more thing they like about you, or that I'm sensing, is you are really helpful and gentle when it comes to any individual or them. But somehow they feel like there's a lot of things going on in your life, and I feel like how do they see you is like, even from afar they see you as if a lot of stuff is happening in your life. It might be regarding your career, business, your family issues, or anything. It's just a lot of messed up things going on, and a lot of responsibilities, or a lot of deadlines, a lot of projects, a lot of stuff. Yeah, so a lot of stuff is happening with you and they see that. Okay, so overall this is the picture they are getting of how your life is going and what you are. Okay, and I feel like somewhere or something you are making some efforts that is seen by them, or it's just that you're pushing yourself really hard for something that you need or something that you desire. Okay, and they are seeing you and they are looking, okay, fine, this man or woman is making efforts, or is just going crazy over stuff which is happening in their life. So this is how they see you. Okay, and what do they think about you is we have got the 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands and the Magician. Okay, what do they think about you is like, you never give up, guys. Okay, so they think they think that you are a kind of person, if you really want that, you really go after it. even though there's a lot of problems and troubles and obstacles coming in between, you go, you go after that is a brilliant thing about you, that's beautiful about you. And they think you are really pretty, uh, like you're really beautiful, and you have this natural authenticity inside you that makes them, I don't know why, I'm just getting this fall in love with you all over again. I don't know why, if this is coming, but from my mouth, or maybe they haven't, maybe they haven't justified their feelings or confessed their feelings for you, or even if it's just a friendship or client relationship or business or partnership or student teacher relationship or anything, but they really like you, like in a really like you are unique. Okay, they think that you are one of a kind, and you are really after what you want, and that thing about you makes them want you more, makes them appreciate you more, makes them they feel like you're inspiring them. Okay, somewhat they feel that. And yeah, that they also, as I'm seeing the magician card, I don't know, I feel like they also feel like you're some kind of a creator. You have this aura inside you that if any problem arises, or any project arises, or anything, any complicated situation arises, you know how to deal with it, you know how to handle it, you know how to create solutions, you know how to, you are a born creator. Okay, you inspire them. So yeah, they think that. And I also genuinely feel like they think you are really take what resonates, guys, it's a general reading. I feel like they think you are really good at dancing, or moving somewhere. Yeah, I feel that. And if you dance, yes, if you dance, and yeah, and or else if you don't dance, or if it's just a business or client relationship, or any family relation, or it's just friendship, or they think like you really walk good, your walking style is really amazing to them, they admire your walking style, that's really great. And they think you are cute, you are infinite. As I'm seeing this, I feel like yeah, as I said before, right, whatever the problem arises, whatever happens or anything, you just don't give up, and you fight for it more harder. Something about your aura makes them, think that you are really admirable. So yeah, let's see what do they feel about you. We have got the Page of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. Talk. They want to communicate. If you guys are in separation, if you're already in a relationship, if you're in a business client relationship, or any, take what you thought, guys. I feel like they really see their future with you somewhere. If it's a business relationship, I've got the Ten of Pentacles. They really have that much faith that somewhere, that trust is there. And yeah, they feel like you are loyal and trustworthy. And if it's like a relationship, or friendship, or a crush relation, or your ex, or anyone, I feel like they really want to talk to you. You might be in a separation mode, or they really see their future. They have imagined, they have fantasized about you, how your future would look like. And Page of Cups, I feel like they are stalking you or spying on your social media. And I feel like they are admiring your beauty, and how you go by your lifestyle, your authenticity, and your gentle nature, like everything. They are admiring you from afar. And this is really amazing, guys. And so, what will happen in the future between you both? We'll see that. What will happen in the future between you both? We've got the Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles, And two of cups. Okay, there are two situations I feel like are gonna happen. I feel like somewhere in the future also you both will spy on each other somewhere. Okay, spying and stalking is going on, and Four of Pentacles, they really want to talk to you, and somewhere I feel like they're gonna come towards you. And yeah, so yes, they are gonna come towards you, and it's a yes card, guys. They'll communicate. Yeah, they are going to communicate. If it's a business client relationship, yes, they feel like you're loyal and trustworthy, and they are keeping an eye on you if you're doing well or not, and they are also going to come with a great offer or opportunity in the future as well. And if it's just a genuine relationship, ex, crush, or anything, as in a love interest, they feel like they want to communicate, and somewhere I see like communication is going to happen. And if you people are already in a relationship, I feel like somewhere you both will get to know something about each other that will, you both will embrace, and it's only going to add an essence, the essence of beauty in the relationship, some understanding I'm seeing. If you're in fights in any relationship, I feel like there is a reconciliation going on. If it's separation, yeah, reconciliation going on, some union energy. Yes, this is great, guys. This is what the future is. What is advice for you in this situation? What should you do? Okay, we'll see that. Overall, what should you do in this situation? If you guys are far away, I also feel like if you guys are not in the same place or same city or country, I feel like you both might meet each other. Or even in the sense, I feel like due to this COVID situation, many people haven't met with each other, and somewhere in the near future, I guess you both are gonna meet. Okay, there is a meeting happening. Okay, so we'll see what is the advice for you in all this situation throughout. Advice for you. Four of Wands, King of Swords, and King of Cups. Just go with your own style. Just be how you are now. Just move accordingly. Like, go with the flow, guys. Go with the flow how you are. And there are chances like they want to see you with your family more. They want to see you with your family pictures. I have told you before, right? They have been stalking and stalking your profile, and they want to see you post more. They want to see you celebrating and enjoying your life. They want to see you posting with your like family or friends, just to gain clarity as in what is happening between your family, friends. Are you still in touch with XYZ? Something is going on. So just give them assurance that yes, you are. And somewhere I feel like someone wants to know if you have any other third individual yet in your life, and somewhere give them assurance that it is not, or accordingly, yes, if it is, yes, post it. Somewhere they are in a situation, they have a lot of questions. If you like, give them some proof or hint, guys, through social media. I feel that maybe you're single, or maybe you're already and in a relationship and you don't want to be with that person, and give them some hint. Okay, if it's a business client relationship or a general professional relationship, I feel like they want to might be they see you as a family, and somewhere in the future they are thinking about inviting you to an intimate celebration or ceremony, and I feel like they are thinking about it, and somewhere they will. So however, in this situation, you are asked to the business one relationship, guys, professional relationship, the advice for you is like, what you should do in this situation is just King of Cups. Okay, just be how a family member is. Just be supportive, just be understanding, caring, like how you are, the genuine nature of yours, and surely you'll be in their good books. And Same goes for other guys as well, or people who ask about relationship or anything, you know, your situation. Okay, I'm seeing 11 11. I feel like you're already in the right path, and you're really making a real like amazing good impression on other people or other like the other person you are asking about. And yeah, that is great. So just go with the flow, and yeah, take the advices as I said before. Okay, pile one, please do like, share. Yeah, I'm sorry. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please tell me if it resonated or not, because it was a general reading, guys. And if you really want to know what does this person think, feel, or intent towards you, you can, you know, book a personalized tarot session with me, and I have given you the contact details and my social handle. You can contact me there in the description below. Yeah, show some love, guys. Thank you. So pile 2, you chose this card. These are amazing cards, and we'll see how do they see you, what do they think about you, what do they feel about you, and the future, how it's gonna be between you both, and advice for you. Okay, so we'll see how do they see you. Wait a minute. Got the Eight of Cups. This is how they see you. Wait. Again, how do they see you? How do they see you? Pile 2. Ten of Pentacles. And Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so okay, what do they think about you? Okay, we'll see that. What does this person think about you? What does this person think about you? What does this person think about you? Pile 2. We have got the Queen of Swords. You've got the Five of Cups. Okay. We have got the Four of Cups. Okay, what do they feel about you? What does this person 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 feel about you? Pile 2. You got the Four of Pentacles. You've got the Empress. Wow. And we have got the King of Cups. Okay. So, pile 2. It's visible, I feel. Yes, it is. And over here we have got how do they see you? So tell me, how do they see you? Cards. Eight of Cups. They feel like you walked away, or they walked away somewhere. They hurt you, or you hurt them, but I feel like mostly they hurt you, and you are lonely. And how do they see you? They see you enjoying your life, building your own empire. They see you're having a great time without them, and they also feel like you're showing off. They guys, don't get offended or something. It's just a general reading. Take what resonates, but my cards don't lie. And they feel like, you know, what do they see is that you've been showing off a little lately, that you're really happy and doing great with your relationship or career or any path. And yeah, they know that you're lying. Oh my god. And to be honest, that this is true, that they have been spying on you. Okay, so pile 2, the person you're asking about, they are spying on you as well, because you are doing the same. Take what resonates. Okay, so yes, and if it's a general business relationship or professional relationship or friendship, and they feel like somewhere you are not hanging out with them more, you are showing your back towards them, even though they are offering you a hand, and somewhere they are feeling, you know, kind of a jealousy or envious. This is about the professional relationship, guys. Do not mix it up with the love interest. So those who thought about your client or your professional companion or partner, they are kind of jealous, and they are kind of, seeing you with the happiness and all the money. So they are kind of, envious, and they have some plans, some evil plans. Okay, so if it's just a lover interest, they know that you are lying or you're pretending. They feel like that. Okay, I don't know if you are pretending or not, but they feel inside that you have been showing off a lot lately, that you are happy and you don't need anyone, and you have got the great man or woman in your life, and something like that. So yeah, if you're showing off, stop it, because they know it, guys. And if you're not, then it's good, you are happy, and I'm happy for you as well. So this is how they see you. And somewhere I feel like they see you as a boring person, or someone who doesn't interest them, or boring as in the sense, they have been showing interest maybe when you were together, or maybe currently or somewhere they have been showing interest. Take what resonates, guys. They have been showing you some interest, but somewhere you are not showing them the same interest, and you have been hanging them around. And or this might have happened in your past relationship, if you're asking about your ex. So they thought that you are boring them, or you're being clingy or annoying, any both, guys. And okay, and you know what I feel? I genuinely feel somewhere, this person dreamt about you recently. Yeah, I feel like they did dream. I don't know why. This is not a dreaming card here, it doesn't exist. But I get this vibe, or I get this feeling, or you might have dreamt about them, or they definitely would have dreamt about you. That is for sure. They did dream about you, as in you both are having a great time, and spending time with each other, and they are looking like, future with them. Okay, so this is what I get, and let's see what do they think about you, guys. We've got the Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, and Four of Cups. They think you're really strong. They think a lot of stuff happened with you in your past, or you are going through with shit right now, and still you are strong. They love that about you. They love that you have this warrior spirit inside you, and I feel like they still have a soft corner for you somewhere, and they really want to communicate or something, and they want to offer you some help or guidance or a hand. Okay, to help you move forward, but you are really strong, lady. You don't give a shit about any other individual, lady, or man, or anyone, a gentleman, or I don't know why. I feel like you're really strong, and you are genuinely like really strong, and you have been through a lot of shit in the past. Okay, maybe someone hurt you, or maybe you were bullied, I feel. And I also feel like they think that you are really lonely inside. See, look, even if you're not lonely and you're having the best time in your life, they think that you are pretending, or they think that you are really alone, and they think that you might need them, and you are just being so rude and arrogant, and stuff like that. So they feel like they want you to take the first initiative, guys. They feel like somewhere you have been rude to them by some deed, or your deed or something. Okay, so they feel like you were really rude to them in your in their past, or something, some deed or some words, something which might have hurt them, and they really want you to take the first initiative. This applies for both, if it's a lover interest or business client or professional relation. It applies for both. Okay, take what resonates, guys. And yeah, so this is what they think. They really want to help you, genuinely want to guide you, but you are like, cut the crap. I know you are not the one, or you're just messing up with their mind lately. And okay, so this is happening a lot. And oh my god, this pile. Okay, anything else if I'm getting? I also feel like, some mystery is here. Okay, they think that you have been lying about something to them, or they think, or if you're currently in talking terms, guys, if you're currently in a relationship, this message is for you. They think that you have been lying about something in your life. They think that there is something that you're hiding, and they really want to know what it is. And yeah, they think that you are lying to them about something. That is true. Or there is something they, or it might be, if you are in separation, they want to know something about you, and they are finding ways, asking your friends, or asking some mutual friends, or asking some other individuals about you, and knowing how you're doing in your life and stuff like that. A lot of this is happening. Okay, so yes, such complicated pile this is. Okay, so if it's a business client or professional relationship, yes, they have been talking about you a lot, and they feel like somewhere you're not being loyal or trustworthy. They feel like something is there that you're hiding, and but it might be or it might not be, guys. But what do they think about you? That is what I'm speaking. Okay, please don't get offended. And yeah, so how do they feel about you? They are looking at you, they are looking, they are admiring, they are seeing, they are watching your every move. It's like a TV show going on. Okay, they're enjoying it. Yeah, I don't know why. I feel like, they are somewhere proud of you. Somewhere they are really proud of you, because I said you right. You have been through a lot of shit in your past, and somewhere you are really strong, and maybe that is the reason they are proud of you, and genuinely they really do have a soft corner, but they won't initiate the conversation first or show their emotional side first. Somewhere you have to communicate to them, and there is a chance that they might, look at this, they might offer you the hand if you're sad, or genuinely want to guide you or help you. Okay, so we'll see what is the recent future. Okay, I'm seeing 12 12. I feel like a union is gonna happen, or communication is gonna come in the future. Okay, so I feel like, what is the recent future of you both, you and the person you thought about? Okay, so what will happen in the future between them and that person? What will happen? Recent future of pile 2. Recent future of pile 2. Tell me. Okay, card fell down. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Okay, we have got the 4 cards falling all together. So, all the major arcanas card, guys. Wow. A lot of stuff will happen in the future all together. So we have got the Temperance. Wait, let me just, yeah. We got the Temperance. We have got the Death. Wow, death. Okay. So we have got the Hanged Man. And then we have got the Judgment. This is Amazing. So I feel like there is a chance you both will communicate and things would get better, and there will start, there is some good things gonna happen. As I'm seeing the death card, I feel like some transformation is gonna happen, some new thing is gonna come, or some new life, or leaving the past away, or some new relation you will build with this person. Okay, some new thing is gonna come. But you both wouldn't know what this is. You both might have started this with, a friendship, or just, talking, and stuff will just, it will just, oh my god. I can see the vision here, what is gonna happen, and I'm smiling. So I'm sorry. And got the Hanged Man here. Somewhere you both will rush into things, and some really extreme stuff is gonna happen, and but you both wouldn't know what is happening here. What is going on in this relationship, or what is going on between us both, and you wouldn't know what to name this relation you both will have. Okay, you might start with friendship, or like just talking, and just like that, and some things might be felt, some things would blossom, some things will happen somewhere you both will feel so comfortable and understanding, but and you'll desire each other, but you both wouldn't know how to go with this. Okay, this is not the recent future, guys. I feel like from the recent future to the late future, the cards have shown me. Fuck. Okay, I'm sorry. And we have got the Judgment, and somewhere you both will talk. Somewhere you both will confess. Somewhere you both will gain clarity, conclude stuff which happened in the past, and what is going on in the present. That will happen in the future, guys. So yeah, so I feel like reconciliation might happen, and somewhere you both will be amazing. This is I told this pile is so complicated, but the ending is amazing. It's just a movie, guys. And you know what I feel, pile 2. Okay, something came in my mind and it just went off. Wait, let me just what was it? Sorry, I was thinking. Yeah. I was about to say, if it's not a love interest, if it's just a business or professional relationship, I feel like they will surrender to you whatever negative thoughts, or whatever enviousness or jealousiness, whatever it is, and they have been showing, and you might start another beautiful relation, but somewhere they'll still have doubt, but your deeds will show them that you are really trustworthy. So yes, this was what I was thinking. So pile 2, this was your reading, and this is just a general reading, so please guys don't get offended, and this might resonate with some and might not resonate with some guys or people or whatever. And if you want to book a personal session, like what do they genuinely think about you as a particular individual, you can book a personalized tarot session with me. The contact details and my social handles are given in the description column below. So yeah, you can contact me then. And please do like, share, so comment and subscribe. And let me know. Pile 2 yours was amazing. I really loved your pile the most than the pile 1. It was really amazing. It was like the vision was, I was watching a movie or something. So yeah, I had a great time doing your reading. Yeah, please do share, comment, like and subscribe. Show some love, guys. Thank you. Hey pile 3. Okay, who chose this Egyptian tarot deck? It's huge and it's amazing. I recently bought it and it's great. So we can see First, we're gonna see how do they see you, how does this person see you, and we have got the Queen of Swords. Powerful, powerful individual. Wow. Got your own worth and value. You don't, take anyone's bullshit. This is great. Okay, so we'll see. How do they see you, guys? How does this individual see you? Think about that person as I'm shuffling the cards. These are really huge and I can't, shuffle it this way. So it's gonna happen this way. So how do they see you? Pile 3, how do they see you? Look at this! Oh my god, you got the Queen of Swords as I said before. And we have got what is it? Knight of Swords. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, Knight of Swords and Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay, so I feel like there is something going on between you both, and somewhere you are not confessing your feelings to them, and they have been waiting for you genuinely. Somewhere you are not making a move. Somewhere you are being so you are scared. They see you as that way, guys. Don't don't think that I'm pinpointing you or something. Please don't get offended. How do they see you? That is what I'm telling. Okay, so please and take what resonates, as it's a general reading as well. And they think that you are somewhere scared to confess your feelings or your words or anything that you want to say or do, or somewhere even they think that you are intimidated by them. Yeah. Okay, you are intimidated by them or their power or something, I feel that. And okay, they really are waiting for you. And yeah, they have tried confessing their feelings also a lot of times, but they thought like you are not interested or you would not consider it. And they have given you a lot of hints as well somewhere, and you did not notice it. They think that you might have not noticed it. So now they are just gonna sit and watch what would you do and what will you do. And somewhere they know that you have been trying to communicate or talk about your feelings, or somewhere they feel like, yeah, you have tried. Even they have considered your hints as well. Yes, that's true. And this is what I'm getting. This is mostly a crush type relation, but if it's just your ex and you have been in talking terms and you want to reconcile, this might resonate. And if you are already in a relationship, I feel like somewhere someone is not getting time. Like time is not managed here. Somewhere you both are not able to manage or communicate that much. Somewhere time is the essence here. And you don't or someone in this relationship is not showing the genuine not prioritizing them. Okay, feel like they think you do not prioritize them. Yeah, even though you do, somewhere they feel like, no, it's not enough. If you're in relationship, guys, and it could be either way, vice versa. I feel like both the ways mostly. And somewhere in this relationship, someone is insecure. I can see someone is insecure in this relationship, or someone has this ego here. Okay, I feel like someone over here has ego and insecure all together, and that is what is causing the problem in this relationship. If you are in a relationship, guys, take what resonates. if you're in a relationship or married or something. And I'm seeing the Ace of Cups here. I feel like they really want a new beginning. They really are waiting and they really want a new beginning. And if it's just a professional business client relationship, I feel like this man or woman is waiting for you to come with an offer. They are just testing you. How much intimidated are you going to be to not come with the offer that you want to, yeah. So it's like they are testing you, that do you have that much confidence to come boldly and keep that offer on their face. So yeah, this is how they are seeing you. Okay, so what do they think about you? What do they think about you, pile 3? Got the Hierophant. Okay. Got the Hierophant. What do they think about you? We have got the Justice. Okay, this Queen of Swords, Hierophant and Justice are giving me a lot of goosebumps vibes. Okay. So, and what do they think about you? Three of Pentacles. Okay, this is great. So, guys, as I'm seeing the Hierophant here, what do they think about you? They think you are really smart. They think you're really smart, intelligent. You know how to get away with stuff. Take what resonates, guys. This is a general reading, and somewhere they also see you as a fox, the cunning fox. Somewhere they see you as, you'll never get into trouble whatsoever. You know how to manage every drama, every obstacle come in your life. You know how to manage it. So this is the vision I'm getting. What do they think about you? And somewhere there is a feeling that they think, you hate betrayal, you hate injustice, you hate people who backstab. That is what betrayal is. And you hate people who are fake. Yeah, somewhere I feel like this individual thinks that you are so authentic, so real, that you'll know if someone is lying or if someone is pretending or being fake. Okay, they think that you get to know, and that is an amazing thing about you. That is what they think. And Three of Pentacles, as I'm seeing here, they are really waiting for your efforts. Okay, they are waiting for your efforts. They are testing you. They are judging you. I feel like this man or woman you are asking about has some intentions, has some particular I don't know, particular deal or some factor that if you do this or that, they'll consider you. If you do all those efforts, they'll consider you. If you do all those stuff in that deadline, they'll consider you. Something they have a lot of expectations from you. Yes, they really have, and they have set in their mind, this man or this woman should do this and that, and only then I'll consider them. And somewhere they are testing your efforts. Will you do it or not? See, this is a general reading. Every individual you are asking about has different assumptions, different goals regarding you. But yeah, so take what resonates, guys. You could join the dots, yes. And yeah, they are testing your efforts. If it's a relationship, they are really testing, would you really make efforts or not. And if it's a business client or professional relationship, yes, they are testing you again, if you are gonna come boldly with that offer or not. If you are exes, they are testing your patience, I feel, patience word coming strongly. If you're in separation, I feel like they are testing your patience a lot, and you need to, yeah, stand by that patience. And anything else? Yeah, if you are their if they are your crush, or if there is some crush related situation here, they are testing your, efforts. Not only efforts, they are testing your courage somewhere. Yeah, they are testing your courage. And so this is what they were thinking. So we'll see what are they feeling towards you. Pile 3, what are they feeling towards you? Got the High Priestess, wow. And a lot of major arcanas coming here. 3 of Cups. Okay, I feel there is a third party situation happening here. And 2 of Swords, and that is what is blocking them away. So they are genuinely eyeing on you, spying on you, stalking on you, and looking at you from far, and desiring you. And they are really looking forward for the future with you too, like with you. Yeah. And someday there's a third party situation. You might be in a relationship with someone, or you might be, or they might be in a relationship with someone, and that is the blockage, or the stop is happening somewhere. It's blocking their way to come towards you. Okay, this is what I'm getting. If this is an ex, or if this is an this is ex, or any relationship. If it's a business relationship, I feel like they are considering other offers as well, until and unless you do not come. Okay, they are comparing you. Okay, they are waiting. They have this deadline in their mind. Until and unless by that particular date, you wouldn't come, they'll deny you, even though your idea is strong, because they really need it now, and they'll go for someone else. Okay. And I also feel like if you have already given that offer to them about, but they are, thinking about something else. Dig into their mind, guys. If it's a professional relationship or business client relationship, they are, whatever your ideas or whatever your explanations and details are given, they really liked that, but somewhere something is missing, and they know what it is, but they wouldn't say it. They are testing you. They would really like you to come with it. They are waiting. Okay, when are you gonna talk about that or something? Okay. And if you're already in a relationship, I feel like they want to come forward. No. They really want to come forward, but I feel like there is some third party situation involved here also. If you're asking about the guy you are already in relationship with, that guy is talking to some other girl and admiring some other woman, vice versa, guys. And yeah, so this is what is happening. Even if you both are in a relationship, some third party is coming between you both, and that individual you're asking about is giving more attention to them. Okay, so efforts aren't made here. And if it's a crush relationship, what do they feel about you is like, they want to talk to your friends about you. They want to talk how you're going with your life. They really want to know what you feel towards them. Yeah, you are asking me if this is a crush relation. You are asking me what do they feel, but somewhere they are themselves asking, to your friends, or feeling that what are your actual feelings for them, and they really want to know about it. But somewhere, because of not knowing what it is and what it isn't, or if it's just an imagination, all those feelings. So that is the reason which is blocking you both. So I guess I covered all the relations, I guess. Love interest, relationship, marriage relation, both are same. And singles and no, not singles, sorry. Crush, yeah. Crush and business client profession relation. Okay, so we'll see what is the recent future that you guys gonna have. Recent future between you both. Recent future. Okay, this is such a complicated pile, guys. Every aspect or relationship has different message here. Okay, so my mind is going crazy, my pineal gland is going crazy, my third eye is going crazy. Okay, so my spirit team is laughing at me. Okay, I can see you. Fine, whatever. Okay, we'll see. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the recent future. Sorry, recent future between you both. Recent future. What is gonna happen between you both? Pile 3. What is gonna happen? We've got 6 of Wands. We have got the 8 of Wands. Okay, a lot of talking. And then we are getting the Devil. Okay, now this is getting more complicated. Okay, so as I'm seeing 8 of Wands and 6 of Wands together here, and the Devil here, I look at this card, the Devil card. It's really good, right? These cards are really amazing. So I feel like a lot of talking. I feel in the recent future you both will talk and clear things out. And I feel like there is a chance. I feel like there is a chance of what do you say? I feel like there is a chance of someone letting each other go. Okay. Not ending in a bad. This is not ending in a good note, guys. This is ending in a bad note. I feel like somewhere they are waiting for your initiativeness, and they are really waiting for you guys. And somewhere because of your shy nature, or somewhere because of your lack of stability of your feelings, or in your feelings, I feel like you might lose them. And yeah, the divine timing is at its play here. And I feel like wait, I have this question, like, wait, let me just check. Should you communicate to them first? Because they really want you to initiate it, right? So should you communicate to them first? Look at the Empress card. Yes, you should. You should talk your feelings out first, and only then they will surrender, guys. You should talk to them. You should clear things out, and only then. This is for every. I was just saying to my spirit guides and you guys that this pile has a lot of different messages, and for each and every aspect, or each and every relations, even though if it's friendship, crush, relationship, marriage, or professional business client relationship, but the future is the same, and the advice is also the same. So for every relationship or anything you guys are asking, I feel like you should conversate with them. You should talk to them. You should clear things out. You should confess your feelings. You should take the chance, guys. You should take the chance. And somewhere, depending upon your actions until now, there are chances you might lose them. You might definitely lose them because you're not. Okay, I feel like. I also feel like someone in this pile who is some individual who is watching this video, who is asking about some the particular person, how the future would look like. I feel that this person is somewhere confused because of your behavior and feelings, guys, and they are really waiting for you, and they think that you might have forgotten them. They think that you might have lost all those feelings. They think that you might have they are just imagining things. So it's better you go and conversate, guys, and all these feelings are coming in their heart and their mind both, and yeah, we'll see if you communicate how is your future is gonna look like, the recent future. If you communicate, how is it gonna be? Sorry, will they accept it, and what will happen between you both if you communicate? I know, I feel like someone who is watching this video is asking, was asking if I communicate what will happen, and I somehow sensed it, and I'm checking that now, don't worry. Okay, so what will happen between you both if you communicate? Recent future in between you both. I've got the Three of Wands, guys. This is a success card. Wow, good things will flow. Everything will be nice. And then I've got the Four of Wands again. This is celebration, going on a date, going out and stuff like that, celebrating. And the Sun card, oh my god, I'm so happy for you guys. If you communicate and clear things out, everything is gonna be amazing. Okay, this pile was also a movie for me. I wish I had popcorn. Okay, whatever. So I feel if you communicate, yes, it's gonna be successful. Somewhere you both will have some clarity. Sorry, and some celebration. You both might go out or celebrate about the new thing which is gonna happen, and the Sun, they'll be very happy. You'll be very happy. A lot of happiness happening here. Okay, look at this card. They are really happy. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay, can you see now? They are genuinely happy. Okay, so this was what. So pile 3, this was your reading, as it was a general reading. Take what resonates, and to know what this individual or the particular person you asked about, what were their real, true feelings for only and only you could book a personalized session. My contact details and my social handles are given in the description column below. Please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. I would love if you show me some love. I'll feel grateful, and thank you so much, guys. Bye.